All right, now that we have you guys a little closer, where you can get a much better view. Get all these out. Nice and gentle. Again, just trying to make sure I have a clean working station. Oh, let's go ahead. Pop this side right here. There's some tape. I'm gonna go ahead and, really delicate. Take this off. Get this all around. So we have that. Oh, this is off now. I'll flip this back over and we'll make sure our mat doesn't fall off. I already feel it coming off. All right. So here it comes. We're gonna take this off. The tapes are not sticking to it. Whew. All right, so looks like we have some foam. Always good to see foam. All right, let me also take a look. Lots of foam. Good to see lots of foam, you guys. We have the connectors that we ordered. Kind of go over this later. I'm gonna set this aside for now. Try not to put it with all these. Dump these back in a box. Because I can put that underneath. All right, so, oh, this is gonna be gorgeous. This piece is heavy though. Oh my. Oh my. It's a heavy piece. Make sure we got everything. I'm gonna set this aside as well. I'm gonna put this up here. All right, you guys, this is your first glance at the prototype. Looks, whew. Flip it around. My, oh my. This is looking spectacular. I can't wait till I get this all open. We're not installing anything today, but we're just taking a look. And the cables are all secure. Voila. So this is the piece. So what you're not seeing, and it's kind of hard to see because it's all wrapped up, I might have to keep this wrapped, is this piece, if you recall, is a complete removal of your upper spoiler. So this is all, so how it works is that and I'll flip this around so it'll be a little bit familiar. When you look at it this way, in this particular angle, you'll notice that this is your top brake light. And then what happened is this basically is that upper piece for the Mach-E rear spoiler, top spoiler. What you don't see, I'm gonna bring you closer right now. I'm gonna take you off the camera. So what you don't see is right here on the very top, that's where the spoiler is. Right there. And it's gonna basically pop out. Very excited. Had this design for a while. I had to keep it a secret. So that is the unboxing. And I know you're gonna wanna see this off this plastic. We're gonna keep it on for now because we do have to remove it from the car as well. Thank you.